Hello YouTube friends, this is Alan with the R6, shall I say. If you know who I am, thank you very much for watching my previous videos in regards to what I've added to my motorbike and changing the exhaust or the windshield, etc. I will do a few more videos in regards to other bits I've changed to the motorbike in the near future. But today we're going to talk about motovlogging, or should I say what we need, what I needed in regards to be able to use my helmet and my GoPro example with a microphone whilst I'm riding and recording videos, to put some voice to that video. Example, if you know, I want to say something about a car in front driven over, or you know, I want to record that. So, or indeed, if I want to talk to you, to say something about where I've been or where I'm going or how the bike rides or things like that, or if you've seen something on the road, yeah, you'll be able to record. So a lot of people, they spend a lot of money in regards to cameras or microphones or adapters or things like that to be able to make a, you know, to fit a microphone to the helmet and record on the GoPro. I've looked on a few videos on YouTube and I couldn't find a cheap way of doing it. So I thought I'm gonna search a little bit deeper. Everybody was spending like hundreds and hundreds of pounds for a microphone, and with adapters, a lot of wires, so the helmet will be a bit crowded because you're gonna have the camera, or some people use you on the chin. I don't, I use you on the side. So to be able to have wires and adapters and things like that, it looks horrible on the actual helmet, and it might be very windy. So I thought of, you know, to find a bit more to see if I can use a microphone with a simple wire. So I found something. Now, it's not expensive, okay? GoPro Hero9 Black doesn't work with ordinary microphones or ordinary jack plugs, 3.5mm jack plugs. So you will need some form of adapters. Now, I found a company on the internet, very, very helpful, right? They are called Mic Shop UK. Alright, so I've contacted them and I bought a microphone. Alright, bought a microphone thinking it's gonna work. Right, got it delivered, plugged it in, it didn't work. And I thought, why? Search a little bit about it. So found out the GoPro Hero9 is actually got at a 3 pole wire, not a 4-pole wire as an ordinary microphones. So contact the company, very, very helpful. Okay, explain the situation, and I've only asked them if there is an adapter for it, without having loads of wires and lots of battery ports and things like that. And they said, yeah, what you need is an actually 3-pole microphone, not a 4-pole microphone. So they just post me a 3-pole microphone. Now we're going to open it up and we're going to install it to this helmet. The helmet is a Shark, quite a good one, and I will show you how to do it without having dangling wires and things like that. So this is where I connect my GoPro on the sides, right? So the camera will be sitting here and the wire will be here, and I'm gonna route it towards inside where the mouth is. So right here we have, so this company, they do, obviously is nothing expensive, okay guys, so it's nothing fancy. If you want something cheap, this is where to go. This one here, it is a 3-pole microphone. So what we have, it is a jack extension. It's about half a meter or something like that. I think it's about 60 inches if I'm right. So this bit here connecting to it inside the GoPro. Just to remind you, GoPro Hero 9 won't work with the jack unless you go the media mode. Alright, this is the microphone. Comes with this little clip, so if you are doing motovlogging like that, or just talking on the camera, you can just connect it to your GoPro, hook it up here, obviously plug it into, wire into the GoPro, and off you go. However, the way I'm gonna do it is connected to the helmet, so I won't need to do hookup. So we're gonna remove this clip by like that. So we're just gonna have a microphone like that. Looks and feels very, very solid, okay? So very, very solid. The wire is braided, okay? So don't know if you guys can see. This is what it is, where the braided wire is about, I don't know, as I say, probably half a meter or just a little bit longer, but it's enough to get from the camera to where your mouth is, where you talk, because this microphone will only take direct sound. So you're not going to record anything from outside the motorcycle or outside the helmet, like your loud exhaust or traffic or wind, etc. So you're going to have just whatever you talk, okay? So microphone will literally hook up in there. There is a sound like dead cat, but it's not a dead cat, obviously. It's just a cover sponge. You can have a dead cat if you want, but obviously I've got that one. So that one goes over and you have your microphone. Obviously we're going to have it inside the helmet here somewhere where the chin is, okay? So I'm going to put the camera here, going to route it like that, and the microphone will be in there because I've got a bit of a long wire. So microphone being here, wire will go all the way like a U shape sort of, and you will connect straight into the camera. So I won't have any dangling wires or anything like that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna record a sound while I'm here, example, and also while I'm riding the motorcycle, and see how we get on. Stay tuned. Right, so this is what I've done. I've put the camera here, the GoPro, and find out I've looked to see how much wire do I need to plug into my GoPro. So I've left just about like 10 centimeters or maybe a little bit more, and then I've rolled the wire through underneath this plastic trim, so all the way like that, all the way, and then inside is the microphone. So underneath here where the chin pad is, maybe it gets a bit of light. So where the chin pad is, don't know if you can see it, that's the microphone there. Alright, so I'm gonna put the GoPro on the helmet and I'm gonna take you outside and see how we're recording. Right guys, so this is my R6 as I was saying, and I'm talking right now with you. Clever way of doing it is put a microphone to your GoPro. Not an expensive one, don't spend too much money, hundreds and hundreds of pounds as other people do. Just be smart and spend smart, shall I say. Right, the microphone I bought, as I said, is not expensive. Probably it cost me less than £16 including delivery. Okay, it's unbranded, however does the job. You don't need too much money to make things work. Alright, so my motorbike is pretty loud, okay, so if you can hear me, it's good. Right, this is with the visor open, this is with the visor shut. Okay, so gonna go out the road a bit and maybe do a bit of motovlogging. Right, so off we go. I'm Alan, this is my R6.
So tell me guys what you think. This is my cheaper way of doing motovlogs. Yes, the camera might be expensive, but you can use it probably on any action camera or recording camera. I prefer to buy this one, but you guys can choose anything you like. The microphone is about what we're talking today. So 15-16 quid will do the job, do the trick. You don't have to spend hundreds and hundreds of pounds like other people do, and all sorts of adapters and I don't know, dangling wires, batteries, chargers. You know, think smart. You know, spend your money with your head. Param pam pam pam, param pam pam, param pam 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 pam. Right, here I am. Lovely. So this is my 6. This is what I've done. Those are my stickers. Those are the handles. Just remembered, look at that. That is the exhaust. Nice. I've added those for the stands. Also braided brake pipes. Alright. Look at those. Braid pipes. What do you think about those stickers? In some shades of blue, in some shades of green, in some shades of purple. So it depends how you're looking at it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Powerbones windshield double bubble. What do you reckon about them stickers on the alloys, eh? Good looking bike. I like it.